back again, and today we are coloring this beautiful watch today with the yellow color, red color, blue color and light yellow color. So let's get started the coloring in this beautiful watch. So I'm going to start with this red color. I'm going to fill the red color like this in this boundary. This is the brilliant red color. So the red part is done. Now I'm going to take the yellow part, and I have this yellow part for this. So I'm going to fill this yellow part here. It's dark yellow. This orange color, so I'm going to fill this orange color here. The blue color. The dark blue color will come here as well. Yellow color. And the same blue color I'm going to fill here as well. The red color at the center, and finally light yellow color. Now this is done. Please subscribe to my channel for more coloring art videos, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe.